Hi everyone, in front of me I've got RedMagic 10R and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way, and with the usage of the secret code we have to open the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, after scrolling down in this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another way through the settings. So we have to open them. Here, let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now all we have to do is to tap on the model. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, the serial number appears right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.